Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a topic that might not be the most exciting, but it's super important if you're looking to simplify your finances. How to close a Vanguard account. Whether you're switching brokers, consolidating accounts, or just decluttering your investments, I'll walk you through the process step by step. This guide is straightforward and easy to follow, so let's get started. First things first, before you close your account, make sure you understand the implications. Closing an account means you'll need to handle any remaining balances, and there might be tax considerations or fees involved. So, take a moment to review your account statements and consider consulting a financial advisor if you're unsure. To begin, you'll need to log in to your Vanguard account online. Head over to the Vanguard website or app, enter your username and password, and go through any two-factor authentication if required. Once you're in, navigate to the Account or Profile section. Look for something like Account Services or Manage Accounts. Next, find the option to close your account. It might be under Account Actions or a similar menu. Vanguard typically requires you to submit a request form, so click on that and fill out the necessary details. Be prepared to provide reasons for closing, as well as instructions for any funds left in the account. For example, you might need to transfer the balance to another brokerage or withdraw it to your bank. One key step is handling your investments. If you have stocks, funds, or cash in the account, decide what to do with them beforehand. You could sell assets and transfer the proceeds, or initiate a direct transfer to another account. Remember, once you submit the closure request, it might take a few days to process, so plan accordingly. Finally, after submitting your request, keep an eye on your email for confirmations and any follow-up steps from Vanguard. Once it's closed, you'll receive a final statement, and that's it, you're all set. Closing an account can feel like a big step, but it's often a smart move for your financial health. If you have any questions or run into issues, Vanguard's customer support is usually helpful. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. See you next time.